हेलो व्यूवर्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू कैंपस वाला। सो गाइज आज की वीडियो में हम आपके सामने लेके आए हैं अबाउट आईआईएलएम नोएडा के बारे में। सो गाइज आईआईएलएम के 4 कैंपसेस हैं, वो है लखनऊ, गुड़गांव, नोएडा एज वेल एज दिल्ली के लोडी रोड पे भी इनका एक कैंपस है। सो गाइज आज की वीडियो में हम आपको बताने वाले हैं अबाउट आईआईएलएम नोएडा के बारे में, जिसको रैंक किया गया है एट 3rd पोजीशन अमंग्स द इमर्जिंग प्राइवेट बी स्कूल बाय आउटलुक इंडिया बेस्ट बी स्कूल रैंकिंग। सो गाइज बने रहिए हमारे साथ वीडियो के एंड तक टू नो अबाउट दी कोर्सेज, फीस, प्लेसमेंट्स, लोकेशन और यहाँ तक की इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तक की सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन। सो गाइज विदाउट टेकिंग मच टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So guys, IILM Graduate School of Management Noida, also known as IILM Noida, was established in the year 1993. It is a beautiful campus of around 26 acres in Noida, and it holds 30 years of experience in shaping future managers as well as future entrepreneurs. अब हम जानते हैं इसके accreditations के बारे में. So they are NBA as well as AIU, and it is approved by AICTE. It is affiliated to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam University of Lucknow. So guys, now when we talk about the rankings of this college, as per the NIRF ranking of 2024, this college is ranked in the rank band of 101 to 125. Also, in addition to this, this college is also ranked as A plus category B school by AIMA B school ranking survey. In addition to this, it has also received several other ranks as well. So guys, now when we talk about the courses which are being offered in this college offers MBA, PGDM as well as MBA in Management Technology, which is also known as STEM MBA programs. Now when we talk about the specializations of MBA and PGDM, the specializations are Marketing and Innovation, IBM as well as International Business, Data Analytics, HR, Financial Technology as well as General Management. When we talk about the specializations of MBA in Management Technology, they are Artificial Intelligence, FinTech, Data Analytics and many more specializations as well. When we talk about the course curriculum, so the course curriculum of this college is inspired by Stanford School of Management as well as Kellogg's, IIM Ahmedabad and IIM Bangalore case studies, followed by NHRD as well as MIT simulation programs, NASSCOM as well as Swayam certification in the areas of marketing, HR, financial management, operations, entrepreneurship and many more. This college also offers career development program as well as personal leadership program. In addition to this, the students of this college are also being taken for a global exposure for around 3 to 4 weeks in countries like Spain, Finland, Germany and many more. Also, various certifications are also being provided in social media marketing, human resource planning, entrepreneur skills as well as many more certifications are also being provided to the students of this college. So guys, when we talk about the fee structure of this college, so the fee structure of this college ranges from 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs depending upon the specializations and elective you have chosen. However, this college offers wide range of scholarships to meritorious students which can cover around 100% of your tuition fees. So guys, अब हम जानते हैं यहाँ पे एडमिशन एलिजिबिलिटी के बारे में. So the candidate must hold a bachelor's degree with minimum 50% and the exam scores which are accepted here are CAT, MAT, ZAT, GMAT, CMAT as well as CUET PG. The CAT cutoff is around 70 percentile or higher. So guys, when we talk about the placements of this college, so the highest package is around 22 LPA and the average package is 8.5 LPA. इनके top recruiters में आते हैं Deloitte, KPMG, HDFC Bank and many more such big companies. When we talk about internships, so students get summer internships to get hands-on learning experience for their corporate world. The companies which come here for internships are KPMG, Deloitte, HCL जैसी कुछ और भी बहुत सारी बड़ी companies. So guys, when we talk about infrastructure, so the campus is spread across an area of 26 acres and it is praised for its greenery. It has facilities like air-conditioned classrooms, well-equipped labs, laboratories, libraries and all the modern amenities for the students. So guys, when we talk about the location of this campus, so Indira Gandhi International Airport is around 48.2 kilometers away from the campus and New Delhi Railway Station is around 40.9 kilometers away from the campus. So guys, this was all about IILM Noida, and if you want to know how you can get admission in this college, whether there's a management seat or a special seat or not, or how you can get admission in this college if you have low CAT scores or you are confused that which college is suitable for you based on your scores, based on your profiles, or are there any scholarships available? For all such admission related queries, please give us a call on our helpline number so our academic counselors can guide you in the best possible way they can. Thank you so much for watching and continue watching Campus Wala for more such informative content.